So first of all, you are going to need a Google account. So if you don't have one, I encourage you to get one. You can, for instance, create a Gmail account so that you have a Google username and password. Once you have these credentials, then please go to a Google Cloud Platform and sign in using these Google credentials. So you can Google the address of the Google Cloud Platform and sign into Google Cloud Platform using your username and your password. Now you are going to need to enter a few information about yourself, like the country you come from, and your address, your full name, and then also your credit or debit card number, because Google Translation API is a paid service. But don't worry, it doesn't cost that much. And if you just use it for your personal translation business, chances are you're going to pay just about nothing. You will also need to upload an image of your credit or debit card. So just scan your debit or credit card and upload the image to Google Cloud Platform. Now, Google needs some time to verify your credentials, so give them some time. So once everything is verified, then go again to Google Cloud Platform and sign in using your Google credentials, your username and your password, and then click at the top right at the sign in on the sign in button. Just choose your account and sign in. Now, once you're there, then just click again at the top right at the console, on the console button. And once you are in your Google Cloud platform, then just click your existing project or create a new project, a new translation project. Let's create a new project here. So as you can see, you can enter a name for your project. You click create, and you create a new translation API project. So once you have created your project, then click on the top left on the hamburger menu and select the APIs and services item and then credentials. And now it's gonna be really easy. So you just click on create credentials, then on API key, and then your API key will be created. So just copy it to clipboard, pressing Ctrl+C, and you are pretty much done. So now this API code is in your clipboard, so you can just paste it into Bohemicus, and you are done and you are ready to use the machine translation in Bohemicus.